Okay, so let's see if I can recreate the hook. As always, start with a new component. Just get habit to be in. So I'm going to start by setting up a reference. Well, a bunch of references. So, and one of these references will become part of the actual geometry. So, or maybe not. We'll see. Let's see how it goes. The hook, we wanted a 40 millimeter diameter. Why didn't that? Okay. We want it. I'm just going to have it start there, and I'm going to have it come over and straighten out here, and then come down. I'm going to try and draw it all with one curve. So we need a control point there, a control point there, and then it's going to come down here somewhere. Right, so this guy is going to be vertical, and I'm going to snap it vertical. Does not want to do that. I don't know why. Usually multiple ways to solve a problem. I guess it's kind of lumpy because of this guy down here. I'm debating whether or not I want to use a circle to draw this part or just use the curve, because the curve now is one line, even though it's a little lumpy. I think I'm going to live with the disjoint, so I'm going to get rid of this point. If it'll let me. Replace it with a circle. Since we have one, I'll put one more in too. I want it to be straight down here. 3 parts. Now, in theory, I could grab this guy and use this tool. Let's say we make it 2 millimeters. That looks pretty good. Now we have one hook. What I'm going to do, though, starting with that same inner one, is I'm going to set up another offset at 12 millimeters. I'm going to have a 10 millimeter space between these two. And do it one more time. And this one will be at 14. All right. I'm going to try setting it up using 5 sketches. This is going to be the middle one, and then the 2 outer ones on both sides are going to use the inner, and then I'll loft them across to this one in the middle. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. So construct an offset plane. Actually, let's make that 15. And we'll do another one at 5. So we're going to project onto this, that shape. Done. We're going to project onto this. Same shape. Done. Do the same thing on the other side. 15. 5 more. Project onto this. That guy. Project onto this. That guy. And there we go. So let's see if this is going to cooperate. Loft. This shape. To this shape. To this shape. To this shape. To this shape. Yeah, it's a bit steep. But you get the idea. So that size might have been a bit too big, but you can see it worked. Oh, that's why. Okay. 8, 10. That's a little nicer. There we go. And that's not exactly how I did it, but that's a better way to do it, I think.